Right then, welcome to our little exploration of one of the most puzzling questions in science, the Fermi Paradox. It's a big question mark hanging over the universe, a puzzle that's got scientists, philosophers and dreamers all scratching their heads. Named after a clever chap named Enrico Fermi, this paradox points out the odd contradiction between how likely alien life seems to be and the fact we haven't found a sniff of it. Our journey starts by thinking about just how massive the universe is. Billions and billions of galaxies spread out across the cosmos, each one a swirling city of stars. And around these stars spin planets, trillions upon trillions of them. The numbers are mind-boggling, but they tell us something important. In this giant cosmic ocean, loads of planets must be just the right distance from their stars for life to get started. With so many planets out there, it seems likely that life, in some form or another, must have popped up somewhere else. Maybe on a world warmed by a red dwarf star, or under the ice of a moon going around a giant gas planet, life could get a foothold. It might be tiny little microbes just hanging on in tough conditions, or it might have thrived and become complex, intelligent beings like us. But here's the thing. It's quiet out there. Despite how likely alien life seems, we've got no real proof it exists. No clear messages from space, no alien gadgets found, and no visitors from other stars have dropped by for tea. This silence, when we should be hearing something, is the heart of the Fermi Paradox. Chapter 4. A rare jewel in the cosmic sea. One answer to the Fermi Paradox might be the rare Earth hypothesis. This idea says that what happened on Earth to make complex, intelligent life is incredibly unusual. Maybe a special set of events like the right rocks and the right timing were needed, making Earth a one-off, a single oasis of life in a vast, empty universe. Chapter 5. The Great Filter. A cosmic bottleneck, another spooky thought, is the Great Filter. This idea says that all civilizations, no matter how clever they get, hit a wall that stops them from spreading across the galaxy and getting in touch. This wall could be anything, from blowing themselves up with nukes or ruining their planet to some cosmic disaster that wipes them out. Chapter 6. Lost in translation. Maybe we're looking in the wrong place, listening on the wrong channels, or just not understanding the signs. Our ways of looking for aliens, while getting better all the time, might still be too basic. Alien civilizations, much smarter than us, could be using ways of talking that we haven't even thought of, their messages invisible to our technology. Chapter 7. A galactic quarantine? What if they know we're here, but are staying hidden? Advanced civilizations might be avoiding contact with younger, less developed species like us. Maybe they think we're too primitive, too dangerous, or just not worth bothering with. The galaxy could be full of life, but we're stuck on our own, in our little corner of the cosmos. Chapter 8, Earth, a cosmic exhibit. A more interesting, if a bit creepy idea is the zoo hypothesis. Imagine Earth as a giant cosmic nature reserve, a galactic zoo. Alien civilizations might be watching us from afar, studying how we develop without interfering, just like we watch animals in a wildlife park. Makes you wonder if we're really alone, or just part of some big cosmic experiment. Chapter 9. The Unconquerable Gulf. The huge distances between stars might be impossible to cross, making space travel too difficult even for civilizations much more advanced than ours. The energy needed would be unbelievable. Perhaps we really are alone in our part of the galaxy, separated by a gap of space and time we can't bridge. The Fermi Paradox keeps people debating, researching and exploring, driving projects like the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence or SETI, and big philosophical chats about where humans fit in the universe. It reminds us that even with all our technology, we're just a young species on a small planet, looking out at a universe full of mysteries. Thanks for joining me on this trip through the cosmos. Until next time, keep looking up.